Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, May 7th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You know, once in a while I have a day. I just do not want to do this video. And yet I feel like I've established a tradition of doing a video every day, no matter what happens. And so I'm just going to do it, but I don't want to do it. Yeah, we had a really terrible day today. Um, Yesterday was harrowing also. The Dow opened down almost 500 points yesterday. But then, people realized that this was mostly just talk about China trade deals and so on. And they jumped in here and bid it all the way up, and the Dow ended up closing just down marginally, a few points. But I knew we were in trouble when, in the aftermarket after this, the Dow fell. The aftermarket futures fell like 200 points, and that's exactly about where they opened this morning. And I've been in this business a long time, and I know that stocks very seldom repeat the same pattern back to back. And particularly since, if you saw my video yesterday, I said this pattern was very unusual. When stocks open bad, they usually get worse. And yesterday, that didn't happen. They got better, and we were saved from about a $35,000 loss. We got out with about $11,000 loss instead. And in fact, if we'd held on all day, we could have gotten out with a profit. That's how much of a reversal this was. But that's unusual. What happened today is much more typical. The stocks opened down 200 points here, at least the Dow did. And then it just got worse all day long. And the Dow ended up down 473 points. And that was in spite of a little rally here the last half hour. So the Dow was down over 500 points today. It broke 26,000. You know, this pattern is really, really ugly. And so we've had our head handed to us now 2 days in a row. Yesterday we closed out $11,000 negative. Today we closed out $10,000 negative. So that's a real kick in the butt. And just to add insult to injury, somehow we got into 5 new positions today. 4 were negative, only one's positive, and we're carrying negative $3,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So it just smelled all around. Now, I'm just going to tell you this. I'm not totally despondent because there's no doubt in my mind that people are going to realize that the rumors and talk and blah, blah, blah that resulted in this 2-day sell-off aren't going to hold water, and this is a bull market, and this is going to recover from this, and because it's down over, below 26,000, we're going to make a lot of money as it comes back up and probably breaks all-time highs again. So we will see. We can recover from this, but it's really been an ugly last 2 days for us. I just don't have anything. There's nothing good to show, and I'm tired of talking about the bad. So I'm gonna close it out with this, but I will be back here tomorrow as usual on Wednesday, and we'll see what happens from then.